and we'll try to start this thing after sitting about a year. You want to do the honors?
Yeah, sure. I will. Oh.
Keys should be in the ignition, if not right around there.
There it is. Alright, you ready?
Let's do it. It wants to. Oh. See if it stays running.
It starts to choke itself out.
Well, does it stay running now? This thing has no tack, and that oil pressure there is anything but accurate. That's why we've got this. Took some cooks, and I'm just surprised this freaking thing started.
Well, with the amount of blow-by it's got, I mean, you can fill up half a balloon.
No kidding.
Or at the very least, the whole party's worth.
Quiet as a friggin' mouse.
Until you start hitting the throttle anyway.
Yeah, you can see all that oil leaking back there. Yeah, you can see fresh wetness by that oil dipstick tube. That's weird, you can't see it going out of there, but you can sure feel it. There's a nice little remains of a rat nest underneath there. Oh yeah. See it blowing it around there. Put this thing back on. Sat 2 years, I guess now let's see if anything seized up on it. See if it'll inch forward. It does move. I'm not gonna move it very far, this is just to free it up. And that ABS light, I don't know what that's about, but it always flashes. It's been doing that for almost 4 years. Well, there you have it. Sitting for about a year. I'm gonna take a chance. Let's see if it'll start back up. Now you can feel it misfiring.
Yeah, and it sounded like it had a bit of a top end ping there for a second.
I'm not surprised. This odometer's broke on it and the speedometer don't work, but when it quit working about 2 years ago, it had 221,000 on it, which for a 460, it's had the tar beat out of it. That's pretty good. So, '22-year, sitting for 1 year F-350, somewhat alive again. Still needs to get the donor engine put in. And I might put a link to this guy's channel right down there. You can check that out. He mostly does faster car videos, but
yeah, I like the speed. He likes the off-road and stuff because he's weird.
Who said off-roading isn't fun? But anyway, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.